In today's globalized world, trade and commerce thrive on the free flow of goods and merchandise across geographies. The successful marketing and distribution of these products from manufacturer to consumer relies completely on safe, durable and attractive packaging. What has made this possible is the invention in the 20th century of a wonder material which lends itself easily to multifarious uses. This material is plastic, a byproduct of the petrochemical revolution. Plastic is derived from polymer compounds and is well known for its malleability and versatility. Due to these advantages that it offers, it has today emerged as the most preferred material for product packaging, preservation of food, irrigation and agriculture. In India, one company has made a name for itself as a leading producer of high-end machinery which are meant specifically for making blown film polymer-based packaging materials. Gurucharan Industries. Gurucharan Industries, based in the beautiful coastal city of Mangalore state, along the west coast of India. Gurucharan Industries manufactures a wide range of customized machineries which are designed for a variety of end users in the domestic and international market. Gurucharan Industries has its own modern production unit which is situated in a spacious factory at Baikampedi industrial area of Mangalore. Being close to New Mangalore Port, which is the only modern over-there seaport of the region, our strategic location is highly beneficial to us in serving both the domestic and export markets. Gurucharan Industries is a modern professional organization having a well-structured hierarchy for management and administration. The company is manned by trained and highly competent managerial personnel who support the operations with commitment and dedication. With acclaimed and wide-ranging products such these, Gurucharan Industries has made rapid strides in establishing itself a provider of complete cost-effective solutions in polymer packaging. Our products have found ready acceptance in the competitive markets both within India and internationally. Our export of products extends across countries such as Turkey, Iran, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, UAE and Oman in the Middle East, Nepal, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Vietnam, Philippines, Sri Lanka, Mauritius, Ecuador, Algeria, Egypt, Nigeria, Ghana, Uganda, Democratic Republic of Congo, Botswana, Angola, Zambia, Sierra Kenya, and Africa. This extraordinary achievement has been possible thanks mainly to our extensive marketing and service network which continuously supports our customers right through all stages of the manufacturer-customer relationship such as product, selection, installation, training, and follow-up service. Gurucharan Industries was established in the year 1996 by Mr. Jayakar Shettigar, who is an entrepreneur and technocrat having a lifetime's experience in polymer industry. His technical prowess and expertise in the field of polymer industry has enabled Gurucharan Industries to indigenously design and produce polymer-based processing plants of exceptional quality and reliability. Memento and awards. Being situated in a less industrialized part of India, one of the initial challenges that Gurucharan Industries had to face was the limited availability of resources, raw materials and components to build machines and plants. Yet we successfully overcame every hurdle that came our way by developing everything in-house but thereby making us self-reliant and more hands-on and delivering reliable, better quality machines. Our production unit is a well-equipped facility boosting of all essential requirements and well supported by a technically qualified and highly skilled workforce. Our manufacturing unit is a self-reliant facility with extensive in-house infrastructure such as conventional machine shop. Our products are a result of an elaborate process of creating end products of extraordinary finish and performance. Grooved feed barrel. Roller machining. Roller balancing. CNC lathe machine. CNC milling machine. Wire EDM. Screw grinding. Screw machining. Screw machining are designed to give proper mixing of polymers. Channel grinding of screw. This product range is suitably geared for smooth and satisfactory performance. Spiral and die. Spirals and dies are designed to give uniform thickness of plastic films. Hardened screws and barrels. Deep hole drilling of barrel. Barrel honing machine. Gas nitriding chamber. Heat treatment is given for hardening of screws, barrel, gear and pinions using ammonia nitrogen technique, which give long and trouble-free life to the extruders. Gearbox assembly is designed for heavy-duty applications and is manufactured using raw materials of superior strength and durability. They built and engineered to perfection, making it easy to run and maintain. After the basic fabrication work is completed, the gearboxes are assembled and tested under rigorous actual use conditions. We manufacture gearboxes using sophisticated machining technologies. Die assembly. Electrical panel fabrication area. Blower fabrication area. Hopper fabrication area. Gallery section. Though a standalone process functions of polymer packaging can be further supported with add-on solutions to address finishing stage requirements. CNC laser cutting machine. Our other processes include cutting using high-end cutting machines. CNC gas cutting machine. HM fabrication. PP fabrication section. The fabrication work is done using various processes and equipment. Our fabrication section is well equipped with all required machinery. The processes involved include gallery and platform fabrication, raw material cutting machine, sheet rolling machine, hydraulic sheet bending machine, hydraulic screw bend removal machine, drawing room for cutting works, research and development section. We have well-equipped in-house facility for customization and development of machines based on customers' requirements. Here we design and manufacture customized polymer processing machinery to exacting technical specifications and quality standards as desired by our customers. Electrical control panel assembly, lug crimping machine for measurement and cutting of wire, sleeving and stripping of wire, crimping of look on wire. These processes are further integrated with electrical functions using electrical panel wiring and assembly. Our manufacturing unit is adequately supported with backup facilities like dedicated power plant, powder coating unit. This process is followed up with elegant exterior finish at our full-fledged powder coating unit. Stores. The entire process is supported with back-end facilities which meet all the production requirements from start to finish. We maintain adequate inventories to meet the needs of manufacturer of our end products. Our stores unit is well organized and manned by competent personnel who are well versed in promptly addressing the needs that arise from time to time in the process of production. Rubber roll stockroom. Assembly area. Here we design and manufacture customized polymer processing machinery to exacting technical specifications and quality standards as desired by our customers. Final assembly. Machine testing and trial. The manufacture of the machines we produce culminates with the final assembly of the different components. The completed product is evaluated for its optimum performance through rigorous testing and trial run in simulated conditions of actual use. Wood box packaging. Packaging and loading. This is only a small part of the journey of Gurucharan Industries, which is driven by a much higher value. That is to say, the quest for excellence in engineering and a mission for total customer satisfaction. goals which are very hard to achieve but worth striving for now and forever. Gurucharan Industries,